This is very quick as well. That was a tiny jump. Just getting warmed up. Oh, I'm going to try.
That was a good one.
That's better.
That was better. Tiny. If you try separate times, you'll get it. Now that was much more better.
That was better, wasn't it? Nah, these are too fast. Alright, stand behind me.
I want to have a try at one.
Come on, you gotta stand behind me. You can't be in front. You gotta stand behind.
Or next.
Alright. Oi! That's alright, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good.
Look, got smacked the ground. See there?
That was good. You reckon two more big ones here?
Yeah.
And then we go to the other jumps, yeah?
Yeah. One more left.
One more left?
This one's got to be the highest one.
It's gonna be the highest one? Alright, let's hope so.
Okay,
Not bad. Alright, we're going to the medium ones.
That actually won! You won a couple of parts of this.
Yeah, not a big deal though.
Oh, that went in the water.
Yeah, it's okay, it's waterproof.
That's why it's good. You can go in the muddy buggy.
Alright, let's see if we can line it up.
Very muddy.
Stay upright? Yes. Wasn't a pretty landing, but it survived. Nice. That was good, wasn't it? It was like, oh, really? We'll do a couple more and then we'll switch over to the big jumps, okay? Let's see. Alright, landed okay. I'm trying to see if I can bring it back. There it is. Coming back. Alright, here we go.
Try to go in
No,
the water.
nah, not lined up.
Try to go in the mud.
Let's see if we can get some momentum going around the bend here. And oh, I thought somebody was coming from the other side. Alright, here we go. No, can't line it up.
Go a bit more that way then.
Hold on. Why can't I line it up? Here we go. Nice. Okay. Let's go on the big jump. Let's see how we do here. Start small. Always start small, get a feel for it. And then you can launch it like that. Oops. can get out of shape sometimes. Right from the top. Here we go.
I have to learn this how to do one.
Beautiful.
How do you learn to have
How do you learn? Lots of practice. Lots of broken parts, lots of mistakes. Oh! No! Ah! Alright, let's go again. Ah, really? Alright, sun's out. Let's go. Woof. That took off. That took off hard.
And can this one get back up all by itself?
No, it can't.
I need the blue one.
The blue one can because it doesn't have a spoiler and the body can rock. This one, the body can't rock, so it doesn't do it. Nice, double
Triple.
backflip,
Double triple.
double backflip.
Double back triple.
Ah, it lives. It lives. It lives. We run it until the battery dies or until we break something. Here we go.
That was.
Woo!
I think that was a triple. Then.
Nah, that was just a double. Doesn't quite have the power to do a triple unless I get really, really high, but that's kind of hard to do. Nice, beautiful landing.
That was almost a triple one.
Oi, too much. Too much power.
But if you did too much power, then it would do. That was totally a triple.
Beautiful, double with a nice smooth landing. Greased it in. Let's go again.
This one's very good at that.
just did a forward flip. Did you see that? I'm gonna see if I can do it again.
Forward flip.
Forward flips are cool.
Double forward flip.
No, I can't do a double forward, but I'll. Oh!
How was that?
Oh no, it's in the mud!
Yay!
It's in the mud!
That's all that he actually wanted for it to go in the mud.
That was all sorts of wrong. That was very lucky to escape death. Very lucky to escape death on that one. Oh! Oh, it's alive! How is it alive? You wanted the car to get in the mud. Oh! Right on the top. Okay, let's try something different. I want to basically come across here and launch it off there. Let's see how this works out. Let's see how we go. Stay upright? Yes. Alright. Let's see if we can launch it again. Nice. Alright, let's turn the rest of this battery off. Just some general paddock bashing here. So much grunt for such a small car. Woo! Woo! So cool. Avoid that rock. Tell you what, this thing's unreal. Woo. Oh. Because breakdancing is cool. Oh. Up the hill with the wheelie, and then just nails the landing like it's nothing. Oh, this thing, so cool. Just gotta watch out for that tree actually. It's right in my sights. There's just so much power from this car. Alright, let's try something different. Oh, and that's low voltage. Alright, so I was about to try something else and battery just died on me, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you all very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll speak to you all next time.